QuiXilver. Tap your team's full potential.
Hi everyone, this is Nick again, and today I'm going to show you how to add and manage users and how to manage your organization in QuiXilver. First of all, I click on the login icon and then I enter the username and password. Now I'm in QuiXilver Online. Here I click on the drop down menu beside the username and click on Control Panel. This control panel is only shown to the administrator of an organization. In the approval inbox, I see all the requests concerning collaborations with other organizations or members of other organizations. We'll have to look at this later. In my profile, I can change my password. Adding a picture or message, I can do in the QuiXilver for Windows version. In the general settings, I can change the language. At the moment, English and Japanese are available. We just started working on our German version. In Manage Users, we can create new members of our organization. To do so, I click on Create. Here, I enter the data needed. As administrator of my organization, I'll give the password to the new members later. The new members can then change their password as I just showed you before. If there is something to change, I just click on Edit and do so. Now we'll go to Manage Organization. At the top, we see the ID and the name of our organization. As you see, here you can change the name. In Organization Image, we can add an image, of course. As I added my image before, there are no changes to do. For collaboration, we can decide whether we want to collaborate with a certain user of another organization only, or if we want to collaborate with all the users of the other organization. To collaborate with a user of another organization, I click on Register. In this form, I enter the user and email address of the invited person. I can also add a message. When I click Register, the administrator of the invited person's organization gets an invitation to approve. To approve the administrator, click on Accept. Back in our organization, we can view this new connection with Frank. To be able to collaborate with all users of another organization, we click here. Now, we insert the organization ID and the email of the administrator. Our invitation is sent and the same procedure is taking part. In the view, we can see if the invitation is already approved. As soon as the administrator of the other organization approved our request, the status changes from false to true. Finally, we go back to the approval inbox to accept the request of organization B. Now that's all for today. Please have a look at our further tutorial videos on our YouTube channel.